And so up on the Upstreet here on Wine and Jazz 101. Boris is taking a nap, and I figured I'd do something different here, a little different camera angle here in my kitchen. More sunshine coming in. Anyway, what are we going to do here? We're going to do a twofer. First tune is by a group out of Laguna Beach, kind of a cult surf group, so to speak, called Honk. Maybe you know about them if you grew up in Southern California. They did the soundtrack to 5 Summer Stories. Really cool. And we're doing a tune called Lopez, named after Jerry Lopez. Great surfer from Hawaii. It's really cool. Somebody should jazzify this, and I think it's jazzicated enough. It's an instrumental. Then, what are we gonna do as he sneaks onto his notes? Oh yeah! Okay, now this tune is by Flora Purim, one of my favorite, Ayrton's wife. Came out around 1976. Name of the tune and the album, Open Your Eyes, You Can Fly. Now this is a 3-genre kind of a tune. Latin, jazz rock, and vocals, because Flora sings. And it is totally cool. And I remember when this came out, I was so excited. It's just a great album. And I've always been an Ayrton and Flora fan. So I think that's enough. Alfonso Johnson on the bass, David Amaro kills it on the guitar. And down the road, we'll do a Gary Burton version of this that's really ep too. So that's enough for now. I'm talking too much probably anyway. Dig the scene here with the gangster lean. Dan Sullivan signing off in KP.
be afraid to just be. Just cast away the chains